The American dream for home ownership is alive and well. Recent reports show that the U.S. home ownership rate has rebounded from recent lows and is headed in the right direction. The personal reasons to own differ for each buyer, but there are many basic similarities. So here are 5 reasons to look at home ownership as a blessing. Home ownership is a form of forced savings. Paying your home mortgage each month allows you to build equity that you can tap into later for renovation, pay off high-interest credit card debt, or even send a child to college. As a renter, you guarantee your landlord is the person that gets that equity. Home ownership provides tax savings. One way to save on your taxes is to own your own home. You may be able to deduct your mortgage interest, property taxes, and profits from selling your home, but make sure to always check with your accountant first to make sure that you understand which tax advantages apply to you and your area. Home ownership allows you to lock in your monthly housing costs. When you purchase your home with a fixed rate mortgage like most people do, you're locking in your monthly housing costs for the next 5, 15, or 30 years. Interest rates have hovered between 4 and 5% all year, making some of the lowest interest rates in history. The value of your home will continue to rise with inflation, but the monthly costs of your mortgage will not. Number 4, buying a home is cheaper than renting. Recent reports show, and no big surprise here, that it is now less expensive to buy your own home than to rent here in the U.S. That number varies throughout the country, but ranges from 6% cheaper in San Jose, California to 57% cheaper in Detroit, Michigan. And number 5, what other investment lets you live inside of it? You can choose to invest your money in gold or in the stock market, but you will still need somewhere to live. In a home that you own, you can wake up every morning knowing that your investment is gaining value and providing you a safe place to live. Bottom line, before you sign another lease, let's get together and help you get a better understanding of all your options.
Hooked on a feeling, hooked on a